I'm Richard Lunt. I'm Professor of Chemical Engineering and Material Science and adjunctly appointed in physics here at MSU. Solar has an immense potential to power the whole world, and so we need to figure out ways to make it more accessible. And that's really a big part of what our group is working on. And we actually invented a way to make solar cells that are completely invisible. The way that we do that is we actually invented materials and device architectures that can selectively harvest the invisible part of the solar spectrum, the ultraviolet and near infrared parts of the solar spectrum, letting the visible light pass right through. I'm really fortunate because my wife, Sophia Lunt, also works here at MSU, and she's a professor in the biochemistry department. During one of our walks, we started throwing around ideas about, hey, we figured out how to do some really neat stuff with our solar cell materials. Do you think that might be translatable to trying to treat cancer? And that sounds crazy, but we actually saw it through, and we figured out a way to take the same solar cell materials that we're using in our invisible solar panels, formulate them into a drug that can effectively cure cancer. One of the things I spend a lot of time doing is developing classes and curriculum for entrepreneurship. So I've developed a whole series of courses to help scientists and engineers think like entrepreneurs. Part of that training is actually helping them unlock their creativity. Entrepreneurship is a really important way to transition the technology from the lab to the real world. We also do a lot of work with the community to try to bring awareness about solar energy and solar energy technologies. So we spend a lot of time with the larger community, both around here, around MSU campus, but around the world. It all fits together with this mission of making an impact. We have a number of collaborators across the university, and it's these amazing researchers and collaborators, as well as just the sort of supportive environment here at MSU that's really been a big part of why I've been successful.